Welcome back, everybody. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. I'm a former middle and high school English teacher working now as a principal in my local district. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mote audio recordings in a Google form so that you can record a question and ask your students to answer that question. So first you'll need to install the Mote Google extension. You can watch a previous video on how to do that. It's right up here. You'll also want to have your Google form ready to go because you're going to copy and paste the Mote recording into your question. So when we sign up for Mote and we click on this little icon up here, we have the option right at the top to record a audio recording using Mote. This link can then be copy and pasted anywhere in Google Forms, on a website, somewhere else that you would need it. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to record that message. Hi, this is a Mote recording that I can now place anywhere. I can put it in this space or that space or this space over here. You'll notice that it automatically copied to my clipboard. So I can go right here and I can just paste, and I'm going to remove that. This link right here will actually send students to Mote so that they can hear that audio recording. Very similar to Vocaroo, if you're familiar with Vocaroo. You can also ask the question here in a typed form, or if you wanted to ask the question, you could do it in the audio form. So when we look at our live form here, this is what the students will see when they're taking this assessment or quiz or working on an assignment. When I click right here on this Mote, again, it's going to take me to justmote.me, and you'll see that I have my little recording here, and the students would just push play here. Hi, this is a Mote recording that I can now place anywhere. I can put it in this space or that space or this space over here. So then I would go ahead and answer the question and go through the process that way. Now, with your Motes, when you go to My Recent Motes, it will show you the recordings that you have done recently. So in case you didn't grab it or it didn't copy to your clipboard, you can go back, listen to it. Right there, there's the copy link. If I click here, I can edit the name of it, and I can also preview it. Hi, this is a Mote recording that I can now place anywhere. I can put it in this space or that space. I can save as something else, I can translate it, and there's another tutorial to show you how to go through all of the options in Mote. But in conclusion, this is how you use Mote for an audio recording question in Google Forms. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and thank you for what you do for kids on a daily basis. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with your teacher friends. You can subscribe by clicking up here, or you can watch another video either here or here. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.